Good morning, hello, welcome back to my channel. I have a brand new bag sitting right there. She's all packed up and I'm going to be sharing a review of her today and I am super excited. This bag has no kid stuff, none, not one item, not even a snack. There's not one item for a kid in this bag, which is a little bit exciting that my world is opening up a little bit more and I can pack a bag just for me because I've been packing a diaper bag for 9 years. So this is the Brooklyn Backpack from a company called Andar, and this is a new bag to me, but I am not new to the brand, and they were so generous as to gift this to me, and I'm going to be sharing my review of it today. I have had their wallets for a really long time. They make my favorite wallet for travel. I also have their laptop case on my computer since the day I bought it to protect that. So they have very, very high quality leather goods, and I'm super excited to be trying out the backpack. So as you can see, this is a small backpack. It's not very large, but the leather quality feels amazing. It feels almost like an oil waxed leather, and the smell is delicious. I got it in this beautiful camel color, which I think is just so perfect for summer. So let me change my camera angle and I will show you everything I have inside. Alright, so here she is in all her glory. You can really see the beautiful camel color here, and she has a nice rubbed bronze hardware here on this buckle detailing. So you do get one flap. There is no exterior pockets outside of the flap, and when you open her up, you also have that double security of a zipper pocket here, which I appreciate, and you have a nice slip pocket here. So going right into the packing portion of this video, in here I am keeping my cell phone, some tissues, and my business cards in this little case. And then at the bottom I do have a Tide-to-Go pen, a regular pen, and a Sharpie, which I keep with me at all times. That all fits very comfortably in this pocket. I would say there's room to spare, and I like that I have quick grab access to my phone there. And you do have a zipper, and let me show you the inside. She is small, but she is mighty. So like I said, this is packed up for just me. And one of my favorite things is that my Andar wallet fits in the slip pockets at the top of the bag. So you do get two slip pockets here, and then you get a zipper pocket along the back wall. So in one of the two slip pockets, I am keeping my wallet. I forget the name of this one, but I will look it up and I will link it in the description box below. But it is nice and slim. My ID is there, and I like that I have quick access to everything. And then in the other slip pocket right next to that, I am just keeping a whole bunch of lip products for when I'm out and about. Then in the back zipper pocket, it is a generously spaced pocket, and I'm just keeping some small essentials like my AirPods, my favorite lip balm ever by Ole Henriksen. I love this stuff. If you are struggling with dry lips, I highly recommend giving this one a try. The price is spicy, but it is worth it in my opinion. And then lastly, I am keeping a Touchland hand sanitizer in there as well. Then moving on to the main compartment, I am keeping my makeup, and I just have it in this case. I have one little makeup brush here, and then this is my makeup from Saint Beauty. It is this all-in-one compact system, and I can match you to your colors, and it just makes it super easy to do my makeup on the go. And I do it all with this one little brush. And then on the side here, I just have my favorite mascara primer and mascara, and that all fits in the small Lily Jade case perfectly, and it's super easy to get to when I'm out and about. Then sitting right behind that, I have my iPad mini, and this is everything. I use this as my planner, I read, I can work on from here, so I really enjoy having that with me, and it fits no problem in there. And then behind that, I just have a notebook so I can write down any content ideas I have, grocery lists, things like that. And then the last thing I have in the bag is my glasses. I like to have these with me because if I do get a chance to sit down and read, those are very helpful, and I also use them for driving. Alright, so that's everything I packed in this beautiful bag by Andar. Thank you again to them for sending me this bag. It is such a great size if you are either a minimalist or maybe your kids are older and you don't need to carry stuff for them. It is so cute and comfortable and perfect for summer. I'm so excited to be able to use it this summer, and that is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Please check out Andar's website. I will leave their link in the comment section below, and you can go check out some of their beautiful leather accessories. And that's all, folks. Have a good day, whatever you are doing, and I'll see you in my next video.